welcome to another episode of Let's Get Dirty with the Dirt Man, world traveling Dirt Man over here, because I've seen things, I've done things, I've been to places. Oh yeah, I've done some things. And hey, we're going to do a wonderful recipe today called DIRTY Fajitas. I absolutely love making these things. My family loves it. This is a great recipe, so let's get started. Okay, now we're ready to get to the recipe here. So this is out of the Dirty Girls recipe on page 43. And here's the recipe. We're using some olive oil. We're doing some lime juice. We've got the flank steak. We've got red pepper. We got garlic. Again, you can use fresh garlic if you like. I'm just lazy enough. I just don't do it. We've got lime. We got the jalapenos. I'm not going to do it, folks. I'm not going to do it. We've got the onions. We've got the red peppers. And we got the cilantro because Dirt Man loves cilantro. And then we are going to actually do two different dirts here. We're going to use the original in the marinade, and also we're going to use the Bayou dirt. So we're going to use two different ones to add a little extra spice. So let's get started. So we're first going to start with the marinade or marinade. I'd say marinade. We're going to do a half cup of olive oil. Dirt Man loves extra virgin. It's pretty much all I use is extra virgin olive oil. Now we're going to do a quarter cup the lime juice. Then we're going to use the red pepper. I don't know, a couple of tablespoons of red pepper. And I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of garlic. Now we're going to use the original dirt. I have got probably about a tablespoon and a half of that. We're going to do a tablespoon of the Bayou dirt. So we're also going to do the onions. I've already cut the onions up. I diced them up really fine. Get all that in here. I've got some jalapenos. Put them in there. And then a whole bunch of cilantro. It calls for 3 teaspoons or so. I don't know what 3 teaspoons is, so we're just going to throw that in there. And then we're going to put this all together like this, close it up. And we're going to shake. Shake, baby. Woo! I know, nobody wants to see me dance. All right, now we're going to take the meat. We're going to put this right inside. And this is like a London Broil. You can use skirt steak. This was actually on sale, so I used this. I usually use skirt steak or something along those lines. Close it up. And then this is the fun part. The good part to do with your kids. If your kids mess with this part, mix it up. There's the finished part. That's what it looks like. We're going to put this in the refrigerator. Anywhere between an hour to all day. The longer you put it in here, the more flavor you're going to have. And then we'll take this out and we'll meet you out on the grill. Here we go. Okay, you want to slice up the onions and the red peppers, and you want to put them in a pan with a little olive oil. You can add butter if you want to. And then what we're going to do is we're going to cook this thing down. And these are going to go right on top of the fajitas. Oh yeah, the Dirt Man happy. He's in his happy place, and we're cooking on the big green egg. You know how much the Dirt Man loves a big green egg, but we're not being sponsored by green egg. So let's open this bad boy up. Let's burp this thing. 1, 2, 3, and open. Now what I've done already is I've already put the onions, the red peppers, and the olive oil. I mixed that up with some Todd's dirt in there, probably about a tablespoon in there. So I put this over here, and I've been cooking. Now it's time to get the meat on. So this has been soaking a couple hours. Oh, and this is going to be lovely. Look how beautiful that looks. Let's pour a little bit more of this marinade right on top of you, because that's how I do things. Oh yeah. It's time to get dirty. Okay, I've got this set at about 450 degrees. A little higher is fine, no problem. So if you're doing this on like a gas grill, you want to go on high heat, and we'll check this in about 4 minutes. Opening it up. Oh yeah. And these dirty onions and these green and the red peppers. Oh, they're gonna be fantastic right on top. And let's pull this up. Turn it. Oh yeah. More of this right on top. Always love to reuse the marinade. It helps add more flavor. And let's close it up for another about 3 or 4 more minutes. It's time to check. Look how pretty that looks. Let's go eat that. All right, we're gonna throw some tortillas. Heat these up just for a couple minutes. Even Striker wants some, don't you, Strike? This is gonna be absolutely amazing. So we're gonna take the tortilla. How'd that meat taste there, Josh?
That was really good.
A couple pieces of meat right there. Roast some of the onions. Put a little red tomatoes, a little sriracha, a little sour cream. That's how I roll. No dog, no Striker. Huh, that's so good. Man, is that so good. There's so much flavor in that. I can't even tell you how much flavor. Just absolutely fantastic. You're gonna absolutely love this. And don't forget to subscribe. Check out our other recipes. Oh, I gotta have one more bite. Oh, it's so good. And remember, with the sophisticated dirt man, it's always a good time to get dirty.